In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your salary info on Glassdoor. Keeping your salary details up to date helps you and the community get a clearer picture of pay trends, negotiate with confidence, and make better career decisions. Let's walk through the process clearly and efficiently so you can update your information in just a few minutes. First, sign in to your Glassdoor account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once you're on the site, click your profile icon in the top corner, then choose Reviews and Contributions. This is your dashboard for everything you've shared, including salary entries. From here, decide whether you're adding new information or updating an existing entry. To share a fresh current salary, click Add a Salary. If you're looking to change something you've submitted before, find that specific salary on your contributions page and select Edit. If the original entry has been marked helpful and the edit option isn't available, don't worry. Simply submit a new salary review to update your records. Glassdoor recognizes that compensation can change, and this is the right way to reflect those updates. You'll now fill in the required fields. Enter the company name, your job title, and the location where you performed the role. Add your base pay, and then include any additional pay such as bonuses, commissions, tips, or profit sharing. Use your gross pay before taxes and choose the correct pay period and currency to keep the data consistent and comparable. If your pay varies, use a typical month or your annualized average. Accuracy helps others make better decisions, and you can always return to add a new entry as your compensation evolves. Quick note in case you need it. I've placed the Glassdoor website link and the official app download link right at the top of the description, so you can jump straight in from there. A key consideration as you submit. All salary contributions on Glassdoor are anonymous. Your personal details are not attached to the public view, so share candidly but responsibly. Avoid adding any personally identifying details in free text fields and stick to the requested compensation information. If you can't edit a past salary directly, remember, submitting a new one is the correct path to update your record. That way the most recent, relevant data appears alongside your contributions. And that's it. Sign in, open Reviews and Contributions, add or edit your salary, fill out the required fields, and submit. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to check the links in the description and keep your Glassdoor data current.